Imagine discovering a long-lost family recipe that connects you to your ancestors. Intrigued? Keep watching to find out how you can preserve your family's culinary heritage. Genealogy isn't just about names and dates. It's about bringing the past to life by learning about our ancestors' lives and professions. But what about those cherished family recipes? The ones that hold a special place in our hearts and memories. My mother had her mother's old recipe box, which included a shortbread recipe from my great-grandmother, May Ann McDougall Peaty, born in Scotland in 1883. This treasured recipe was lost for years, but is now part of our family cookbook, allowing everyone to enjoy these traditional Scottish shortbread cookies. Family Cookbook project was created to help preserve these culinary treasures, enabling families to collaborate and gather recipes into a single printed cookbook. Preserving recipes and memories for future generations is our mission. It's easy and rewarding to create your own personalized cookbook with familycookbookproject.com.